Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today we are going to be reviewing this Kleenso Tile Stain Remover. Alright, we'll be testing this on the tiles with a couple of stains and see if it removes it. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to try, tile stains on the outside. Nope, not working. Okay, next up we look at oil stains. Alright, these are oil stains that actually got stuck over here. Okay, oil stains, good. Okay, next up we're gonna try rust stains. Definitely not working. Okay, the next thing we're gonna try is watermark in the bathroom. Nope, doesn't work. Alright, so that's the end of this video, and it seems that this Kleenso Tile Stain Remover is not that effective actually. Alright, as you can see, we have tested on multiple stains and it was only usable for one, which was the oil stains at the side of the tiles. Other than that, the normal water stains, the outdoor water stains, not effective. Rust stains, not effective. And the reason why I buy this is actually for the toilet water stains. Not effective at all. Okay, so this says that it contains acid, not suitable for new house, vinyl, wood floor, marble, granite and terrazzo. I'm using it on tiles with pretty basic stains. Not good. Okay, so it did say that you're supposed to dilute one part of stain remover and 2 parts of water for heavy duty treatment purposes, and as you can see in the video, I did not dilute. I was using it neat, so it's at its most powerful form, but no good. No good at all. Alright, the good thing is it actually writes here only for stubborn stains. Alright, it wasn't even let's not get too deep into that. Alright, okay, so yep, Kleenso Tile Stain Remover, not very effective. Alright, if you think that I've actually used it wrongly, leave a comment down below how I should be using it actually. Alright, but most importantly, if you know any solution to removing rust stains on tiles, do tell me in the comments below. Alright, okay, so this was purchased in Mr. DIY. It cost about 9 ringgit 50 cents or 9 ringgit 99, 9 ringgit 90 cents, but I wouldn't buy it again. Alright, and I'm not sure what I want to use this for now. Okay, so that's the end of the video, and as usual, hit the subscribe, hit the like, and hit the bell button so you get notified on the next update. Alright, till next time, I will see you again.